What's up everyone? If your laptop has been feeling really slow or glitchy, don't worry, you can make it feel like new again with a full reset. So first, simply back up all your important files because a full reset will wipe out everything. So you can use an external drive or cloud storage to do this. Next, simply go to Settings, then go to System, and from here, simply look for Recovery on Windows 11. Now you're then gonna have to choose Reset this PC. Then select Remove Everything for a full clean slate. So the computer system will then reinstall Windows automatically. And after the reset, simply reinstall all the essential apps and restore your files. So you will then notice that your laptop runs much smoother, boots faster, and feels brand new again. So I really hope this works for you, and if it does, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.